So we start out today's video with this very unique hair color transformation. We already saw the end result, and I think that this is a beautiful color. She does have a nice wolf cut for the actual style. So here the stylist does the shaping for this wolf cut. And there is the color. This is absolutely beautiful. It plays into that contrasting hair trend, black with platinum. Such a gorgeous combo. And then we move on to another vibrant hair color change. Ooh, rainbow money piece highlights with the platinum roots and the black hair. Wow, look at this with her makeup. Absolutely breathtaking makeover. Loving this hairstyle as well. Such a cute look. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some amazing hair transformations. So here we have someone else deciding to switch things up with a wolf cut style. Now this is a very popular trend, and we can all thank TikTok for that. So if you are the type of woman or girl that likes to stay ahead of the trends, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's take a look at some more gorgeous hair transformations.